Welcome. This short tutorial will be showing you how to create a report in Smartsheet. Okay, so first up, open up any workspace, just click on it, and then once done, go to the top left and click on Add to Workspace. Okay, now in here we have the report section. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and select the report type. As you can see here, we have two. We have row report and sheet summary report. Now, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and click on sheet summary report. Click on it, wait for the report tab to show up, and then here it's going to ask us what are the source sheets we need to get reports from. For example, I have here my workspace. I'm going to click on drop down. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and get both source and destination sheets. Okay, just click on the tick box and click on next. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, here we now have our sheet names or the sheet name column. Now you can go ahead and add in columns to display. Okay, you can go ahead and add in maybe created, created by, or maybe all. Okay, hit on next. There you go. Now you can go ahead and add in filters if you want to, of course. You can go ahead and click on select field like so, group it if you want to, summarize it if you want to as well, and sort it out if you want to. Now, if you want to know how to use these tabs, okay, we have a separate video where you can just find in the channel named how to create a summary report in Smartsheet. Okay, so going back in here, once you're done creating your report, you can now go ahead and click on publish, okay, right here, or share it. And do make sure that you select only just the report. Okay, if you want to share this to a person that can access the whole workspace, or given the permission to access the whole workspace, you can go ahead and click on this option. If not, click on report only. There you go. Start writing down the emails, or just straight up copy the link and send it to whoever you want. Now going back, another option, we have the row report. Wait for it. And of course, if you want to, you can go ahead and rename the report. Rename it row report, like so. Rename. Source sheets. Again, select the source sheets, maybe just the source right here. Hit on OK. There you go. Again, we have filter criteria, group, summarize, and sort. After that, in the right panel, you have publish, proofs, attachments, if you want to add in some attachments, row maybe. Click on a row. Now go ahead and attach files to the row. Okay. If not, you could go ahead and do the same thing, but just go into this tab or column, click on attachments. Okay. Hover your mouse into a cell, and you have the attachments option in here. All right. You can upload a file directly from your computer or use a link, Google Drive, OneDrive, and some other options. And once that's done, again, you can now go ahead and hit on share right here at the top right, report or workspace, or just straight up publish it. Okay. And there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.